Incorporating 21st century skills, digital literacy, and ISTE standards, I was able to come up with this list of 5 things to becoming a more technologically literate teacher. First, and most importantly, is to use your resources. There's an abundance of resources on the internet or anywhere that will help you teach, some that you don't even know about. There are programs and activities on the internet that can help you teach in a variety of styles. Not only that, but use your colleagues to learn about new and useful technology. Connect with them over social media to grow more professionally. Along with that, you'll need to stay up to date with current research that supports positive learning outcomes from technology. You can do this by following key organizations on social media or even attending presentations or webinars. Using these 2 steps should allow you to see the positive growth and progress from your students. And it's your job to keep track of their performance. You are the facilitator of your classroom, and you must foster the culture of it. Compile a digital e-portfolio to keep up with the class's development. Some students don't learn or comprehend as well as others, or are better in certain subjects than others. So provide accommodations for those students. Allow them to demonstrate their competency and present a variety of options for lessons so all students are given an opportunity to grasp what they are learning. And finally, the whole point of incorporating technology into their standards is to prepare them for the real-world 21st century. Give your students opportunities to use different computer programs or technology. Give them opportunities to experience technology or activities that could actually be used in the workplace so they are prepared for a successful life.